This is uniformly charged positively, and its surface charge density is sigma. Okay. Surface charge density is sigma, and for that we'll consider a point P. At a distance x from the sheet of charge, and both side field will be there, this side as well as this side. This is the sheet of charge, this is positive charge, so therefore this side field will also go, this side also field will also go. So therefore in equal distance another point we will consider here, that is say P dash, same distance x. Then we will draw a Gaussian surface. We are considering this charge. So this will be a cylindrical surface. So direction of electric intensity, it will be in this way. Here also it will be in this way, outward. And this is a cylindrical Gaussian surface now. This is the curved surface, and these one are the flat two surfaces, and this total surface is enclosing this much charge. Okay, now say its area is ds, so then ds vector will be along this direction. Here also ds vector will be, but on the curved surface, on the side wall of this curved surface, EE is in this way, but ds vector will be, it is making 90 degree. Here again E vector, this is area vector ds. So on the curved surface E and ds both are perpendicular. So therefore electric flux will be 0. Electric flux will be 0. Okay. It means what? Electric flux equal to E dot ds, that is equal to E ds cos 90 degree. So that is equal to how much? 0. Only we will consider on the two end flat surfaces. Here electric intensity and ds both are in same direction or parallel. So then the electric intensity, the end surfaces will be how much? E dot ds. But we'll multiply this one by 2 because two end surfaces. Yes, so this will be written as, here in this case theta is equal to 0 degree. So therefore 2E ds cos 0 degree. So phi is equal to 2E ds. 2E ds. Now, net charge enclosed by the surface. Net charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface. Will be how much? Gaussian surface, that is ds q is equal to how much? Sigma into ds. Sigma into ds, because sigma equal to q by ds. These are area ds, small areas. Is it? Now, by Gauss's theorem we know what? By Gauss's theorem, phi is equal to 1 by epsilon naught time the net charge enclosed by the surface. So phi is equal to what? 2 eds is equal to, this is sigma ds. So therefore, that is 1 by epsilon naught into sigma ds. Q is equal to sigma ds, 1 by epsilon naught into this. So therefore, E is equal to ds cancel, sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Now in vector form, E vector equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught into x cap along the direction the x. Now special cases. Special case, if instead of a sheet of charge there is a plane, thin plane sheet is there, and what is charge given to it. So then what happens? The charges will come on the both side of the sheet, this side as well as this side. Now here the charges will be enclosed twice. Charges will be enclosed, what is? Twice. So then charge will be enclosed by the surface q equal to 2 into sigma ds. This one we have done, sigma ds. So both sides will be charges. Both sides will be charges. Just see. This is the sheet. This is the plane. Okay. So therefore charges will come this side. It will appear this side also. So both side charges. Now q is equal to this much. So then phi is equal to, we know, 1 by epsilon naught into q, and this is equal to 2 E ds is equal to 1 by epsilon naught into 2 sigma ds. So therefore electric intensity equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Just twice of this one. Is it? Now, if there are two thin sheet of charge like this one, which we did, two thin sheet of charge kept, number 4. This is very important one. Okay. So two thin sheet of charges, say both are positively charged. Initially we are taking these two charges. This is A, this one is sheet B. Its surface charge density is sigma A, this one is sigma B. Sigma A and sigma B, they are positively charged. I'm writing here positive. Or we can write plus sigma. Because 3D diagram I am showing this one. So therefore these two sheet of charge will divide the space in three regions. That is region number 1. This is region number 2. This one is region number 3. Region number 3. Now electric intensity will find in these three regions. These are small portions. This is the small one. So in region 1, electric intensity due to a point will be EA in this direction, and due to this one EB. I am taking this one small because now in initial case we are taking sigma A is greater than sigma B. That is, charge density of A is greater than charge density of B. Here the intensity will be, this is EA, this is far distance, so therefore it will be small, and this one is EB. Here it will be EA and this one will be EB. Both most probably you draw the equal length EB. Okay. Now region 1. Now in region 1, number 1 in region 1. Total electric intensity is equal to minus EA minus EB. Minus EA minus EB. So this can be written as what? I am writing magnitude, don't worry. So this one will be minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught, sigma A by 2 epsilon naught, minus sigma B by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma B by 2 epsilon naught. Now 1 by 2 epsilon naught is common, minus 1 by 2 epsilon naught common. Here it will be sigma A plus sigma B. This is equation number say 1. Now next is in region 2. In region 2, E is equal to how much? EA minus EB. That is equal to sigma A by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma B by 2 epsilon naught. That is equal to E equal to then 1 by 2 epsilon naught to sigma A minus sigma B. This is equation number say 2. Now in region 3. In region 3, E is equal to, okay, I am writing this one E1, E2, that is better, no? This one will write E3 is equal to EA plus EB. That is equal to 1 by, that is sigma A by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma B by 2 epsilon naught. So therefore E3 equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught sigma A plus sigma B. This is equation number 3. Now in this case, the special cases will do. Special cases means if surface charge density is same, but they are carrying opposite charges. Yes, this is positively charged, this one is negatively charged. So then say sigma, if sigma A is equal to sigma and sigma B is equal to minus sigma. Sigma B equal to minus sigma. Then you see here in region 1 sigma minus sigma, in region 3 also sigma minus sigma. So region 1 and 3 intensity will be 0. So then in region 1 and 3, E1 is equal to E3 equal to 0. E1 equal to E3 equal to 0. Then electric field in region 2. In region 2. Region 2 is this one. This one will be E2 is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught into sigma plus sigma, minus minus plus, that is equal to how much? E2 is equal to sigma by epsilon naught only. Sigma by epsilon naught. So therefore electric intensity at a point inside 2 sheet of charge, okay, is independent of distance. Yes, sigma by epsilon naught, independent of distance. It means inside this anywhere field will be